Hello everyone, how to tutorials back with another new video, and in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Brave private browser and VPN in your smartphone. So you can also download this from App Store, or I'm using a smartphone, that's why I'm going to click the Play Store icon. So you have to go in Play Store. Once you come here, then you can see search app. Simply click on that and type here Brave private browser. So this one, and you can see it's an amazing app, like 4.5 rating out of 5 and 1 million plus reviews and 100 million plus people already downloaded this app. So you will get all feature available here, like you will download videos, and you can use a VPN also, and this is really good for ad blocker, so you will not get any ad in this application. So simply click on install, and it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today is Norman, thank you for watching.